A peaceful day out with the boys. What could possibly go wrong? Honestly, with the leads on, they're like little angels. And there it is, the switch. Lunatic 1 and Lunatic 2. There's no talking to them now. I swear Henry cannot swim. He's like a kangaroo in that water. There's that man, the only one who thinks they can't do no wrong. This is the part I'll never understand. They've got a full beach, they've got the sea, they've got all the space they want, and here they go over the hill into the sand dunes. This is a nightmare. This is going to take about an hour to get them back. You can hear us shouting on him. You can hear us all day. I'm losing my voice shouting on him. Look, he's basically laughing at us. I told everyone once I caught them on the sand dunes that they'd be coming back on the leads. That went well, didn't it? Bandit nearly kills himself here. Way too competitive. I know people are laughing, but this goes on all day. One trying it on, then the other. People on the beach are laughing and pointing. I don't know where to put myself. I'm sure Bandit stands up on his back two legs like a person here.
See that?
Home time. Thank the Lord. I've never liked the beach, but I like it even less with these two delinquents. Of course, Mum thinks they've been the best boys all day. They do have some good fun, so if you want to see more videos from Henry and Bandit, remember to subscribe.